Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei P Smart 2021 NFC, and today I'll show you how you can clean your USB-C charging port. So at the first I'm going to zoom in to show you how it looks inside. As you can see here, I can find probably the piece of the dust or something like that. And of course we are going to make it with household item. So here I get the pencil, and we are going to put the pencil tip right here. So of course you can use any other thin object, but I'm going to use this one. So we have to put it from the one of the edge. Let's start from the right one. So let's make it like that, and then move it on the left to the left side and do it gently. Try to don't break anything. Okay, as you can see, here it is. So let's put it here. And then try to go for another one, but this one is from the opposite side, and of course do the same. And here it is. As you can see, when you take a look inside, right now it looks cool, and we are able to plug in our USB-C cable and then charge our smartphone. So as you can see, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!